Thank you, Taco. Dear guests, dear attendees, I have pleasure to present on behalf of consortium developing oceanographic data and information system, potentially for Polish NODC initiative. The consortium consists of 7 institutions. There are historically two initiatives. One of the initiatives is South Baltic, historical consortium developing satellite monitoring system of the environment of Baltic Sea, which will tell more about this Professor Ostrowska. And consortium consisting, the name of consortium is POLMAR, and consortium consisting of institutions engaged in exploration of sea resources, scientific institutions engaged in exploration of sea resources. The name of the project is Elektroniczne Centrum Udostępniania Danych Oceanograficznych. The acronym is ECUDO.pl. In translation from Polish means a miracle. It is a brilliant acronym. I talked with Dick Schaap. What can we achieve having such acronym? Project is founded within the frame of operational program Digital Poland, so Digital Agenda Poland, and the budget of project is about 3.5 million euro, mostly from European Research and Development Fund. And the goal of the project is to develop oceanographic data and information system, providing unified access to scientific data resources, oceanographic data resources of Poland. I invite you to visit the webpage of the project because you can find more information there, and especially you can find how to access the data system. And this is the direct address of the information system developed within the frame of project. What I would like to point you is number of data sets already existing in system is more than 4 million data sets from Polish scientific institutions exploring sea resources. The construction of system, the schema of the construction looks like this. There are different databases connected to the system. System is providing different services, especially single sign-on, but also we are assigning DOI to selected data collections and publications on internet. Maybe get back a bit. This system also provides service to community users, and also we are willing to cooperate with CDataNet, CData Cloud, and provide data to EMODNet as well. This is information about providers. You can see on the left upper corner providers of data resources to the system. These are the 7 institutions, but as well we are experimentally connecting also archive resources from South Baltic. And implemented standards. I would like to point your attention on ISO 19139 metadata standard, but specific profile of CDataNet CDI profile, which is compliant with INSPIRE. We also are capable to host data described with other metadata standards like Dublin Core or just pure ISO 19139. We are using vocabularies coming from BODC, but also Global Change Master Directory, and we are using CF Climate Forecast Conventions. Data is not limited to these formats which I have presented on slide, but mostly the data stored in the system is netcdf, shapefile, but also we are providing web map services and web feature services. This is the list of different domain-specific data collections. You can find a lot of, so it's very heterogeneous data. We are collecting data coming from biology domain. We are storing data coming from hydrology domain, especially geological data, because Polish Geological Institute is one of the partners of the project. Sea Fisheries Institute from Gdynia have information about resources of Polish economic zone. So you can find very interesting data collection in the system. This is an example what are the possibilities of selecting data from the system. It's also a possibility to visualize data, because just behind the system there are geo servers to visualize and to map data directly from data collection. And what are the further steps? We would like to extend integration with CDataNet and IMOBNet. For this reason, we are using and implementing a lot of standards used by CDataNet. Also, we will apply to get certification of trustworthy data repository. And the next step is implementation of Oceanographic Data Committee, because we have consortium ready. And if you get through the list provided by IODE, recommendations of IODE, you can find that we fill all prerequisites to establish Oceanographic Data Committee, especially National Oceanographic Data Committee. Some numbers. There are 7 organizations cooperating in the consortium, cooperating to develop projects. We have already more than 4 million data objects, data sets, open for community, it's open access. We conform 5-star open data model and FAR paradigm to process data. And we also conform, sorry, it's a timer. We also conform web content accessibility guidelines. Thank you.